Hello and welcome back everybody. Today we're gonna go to the grocery store and buy some food. Hope everybody's doing well. It's raining a little bit today, so I have my umbrella. So yeah, let's do that. Okay, I arrive at IGA. So let's see. This is the store. This is the store, IGA. Let's go in. We arrive at the meat section. Look, this is like $15 per packet. It's like expensive. So we could have some veal, but I don't want veal right now. It's really expensive. Yeah. I mean, we could have some ground pork that is $5. I mean, I'll see what I can do. Alright. $2.99 for a hot dog. Yeah. I think I'll take hot dog. I think the bread is also on sale. So we'll make this on the barbecue. It's gonna be awesome. The beef one are like here. Let's take that and go see other stuff. And the hot dog bread is $1.77. So for bread like this, that's what I'll be getting. Right. Let's take a bread with our sausage. And yeah, I think that's what we're gonna get. Maybe buy some other stuff that are not for the video, and I'll see you guys later. And instead of fries, I'll buy some Doritos. Some are like $3.33. I think I'll take jalapeno and cheese. Okay, we're gonna do some hot dog on a barbecue, so let's do it. We're gonna start by eating the barbecue. We're gonna open the valve. And then these are our ingredients: the bun, the cheese, and the hot dogs. Now we're gonna just wait for that for 5 minutes. I'll be back in 5 minutes when the barbecue is ready. I don't have I need to get tongs inside, so I'll just put that in the grill for now. The sausage. I forgot my tongs. Alright. So yeah, I hope everybody's having a great day. It's raining today, it's like stormy. I'm gonna watch some wrestling after. Yeah, let's go. We have the breads that we're gonna toast. We have some cheese like this that we're gonna put on the hot dogs. We're gonna cut it. I mean, do a little part of cheese on each hot dog. I made 5 hot dogs today. Should take like 5 minutes to cook the sausage. And we're gonna put the bread. Like that. And then reduce the fire on one side. Starting to rain again. It's also gonna be nice and toasty. Let's go. Ah, barbecue is keeping me warm. The hot dogs are cooking! Yo, they're cooking, man! They're cooking, man! They're so good, man, when they're cooked. I'm the grill master. My name is Jaymee, I'm the grill master. That looks perfect. Right. Let's remove the bread. Gonna make it melt a little bit. Alright, putting the last bit of cheese on there. Oh, this one broke. And preparing the hot dogs. Oh, I'm losing the cheese. No, it's not good. Close the barbecue. Alright, let's plate the hot dogs. So I want 2 hot dogs. These 2 for me. These 2 for Ryuk. My cat is he's hungry. My cat is hungry. Can hear her cry. Hey, not on the counter. And then some chips. And I need to put some ketchup. And Ryuk will put whatever he wants later after the video. Alright, supper is ready. So now we're gonna go eat.
Awesome.
Awesome? Nice. Yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Mimi, don't Mimi! She makes it, she breaks everything. Alright, cooking with Jaymee. Cooking with Jaymee. Bye.